Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T here with another video. So today we are doing my nighttime skincare routine featuring Urban Skin RX. If you want to see my full-time routine that I use for the summer, go ahead and continue to watch. So first things first, y'all, my lashes have been on all day. They barely holding on. We're going to use some makeup wipes. I use this from Logic. It's just a regular makeup remover wipe that I get from my Walmart, Rite Aid, whatever store you like to use. These ones do really good for me. They're alcohol free, and I just like to get all of my makeup off, especially my hard stuff like my liners. Like, they just never want to come off. Mascaras, girl. So we are just doing this first as a way to kind of just get as close as we can to the skin. Just yuck, look at that. Next thing I use is my Clarisonic Mia 2, and I use this with my Urban Skin Even Tone Cleansing Bar. This is so great, y'all. It has really gotten rid of a lot of hyperpigmentation for me. I actually do this twice. This is the first time I do it. Again, I am just doing this to get as much makeup off as I can so we can get just, y'all, it'd be taking me forever to get my makeup off. I don't understand. This goes for like 90 seconds, I believe, and I just do it evenly on the other side until it turns off. Now, using a nice towel, we're just gonna start wiping and getting all of that makeup off my face, and it's just a lot, especially by my hairline. Pat it up. Look at that. It don't matter how many times I wash my face. Next thing we're doing is using that cleansing bar yet again, but we're using the sponge that is provided from Urban Skin. It is so good. I love this sponge. It's a natural exfoliant as well, and it's just perfect for getting the product out. You want to make sure that you make it super lathery. You can use this as a mask as well as a cleanser and an exfoliant, of course. So 3 in 1. Now I'm getting that really deep scrub in, just with all of my, oh y'all, getting it all off. I'm doing my face and I do my neck as well. Honestly, it feels so good. Typically, exfoliants are too harsh for me, like these type of sponges. Look at that, skin is nice and bright, baby. Now I'm using the Urban Skin dermaplaning tool. This is just great for getting off all my excess skin. Now, I do not do this every single day. I only do this about once a week. And that's only because I just accumulate dead skin so much, and my face is naturally hairy AF, like you about to see. I just be so disgusted. Where is all this hair coming from? Dead skin, just gross. You can do this with water or oil. Gotta make sure we hit that mustache. Look at that. Especially on top of my forehead, I just collect so much dead skin and hair. But make sure you watch your brows and your baby hairs. Do not play with your life. I personally have never cut myself, so just be careful. Little hairy monster. Now we're going to use the peel pads, and the reason why I do the dermaplaning beforehand is because this is great for penetrating the skin, and the dermaplaning helps just get all of that in. And this is just for helping your complexion and helping with hyperpigmentation and just getting a nice even tone, which before this my skin used to be so dark in random spots like around my mouth and my eyes. So this has just done wonders for me. It does burn, y'all. So just be aware of that. It is a little strong, so you want to keep it as far away as you can from the eyes. Leave this on for 5 minutes. and then wash that off. Look at that, I'm like, Lord. Next thing I use is the Super C Brightening Serum, and I just put this all over my face. You can do 5 to 7 drops, and I use it on my neck as well because you know your neck is the first place it shows aging, so. Next thing I use is a Retinol Rapid Repair, and I only put this on my dark spots that I still have remaining, which I used to have so much more, but I don't. So we're just spot treatment there. Just some places where I had some acne beforehand. And then from here, this is for your under eye serums. It's another retinol. I put it a little bit all over my face, but it's really to put underneath your eyes, y'all. Last thing I put on is my Hydra Balance Instant Moisture Infusion, and this is what I put a ton of all over my entire face, and this just seals everything that we put in on our skin. The biggest thing that you want to make sure you do is put a little bit of time in between every layer that you put on, just so that it's able to just soak into the skin and just really do its job. Make sure we just put some nice layers on and get the skin super duper duper hydrated, guys. This stuff works so good, and I just feel so glassy. My skin just feels so glassy and just ready for the night, and I just get like the best sleep of my whole life. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Look at my skin. We are glowy and feeling great. Thank you, Urban Skin, for sponsoring this and giving me all of these products. It has been so life-changing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.